Hey, hello everybody. I am Ahmed Awais and we are going to be talking about Node.js and CLI automation. Before we start though, go ahead and follow me on Twitter. I am Mr. Ahmed Awais, Mr. Ahmed Awais on Twitter. I share a lot of my developer tips on my Twitter account. I've created a course called vscode.pro, the VS Code Power User course, where I teach you how to use your own code editor in a very powerful and power user way. Because as a developer, you spend like 80% of your time with your code editor. It's only fair that you learn it well. And now I'm teaching Node CLI automation. You see, I love to create automation tools. This is one of the best perks of being a developer that you can automate a lot of your grunt work and do more in less time and impress your manager or help the community while at it. As a developer, I have built hundreds of developer automation tools used by millions of developers out there. If you go to my GitHub profile, you can see that I've created hundreds of open source projects. And a lot of these projects have been developer automation tools. And that is exactly what I'm going to teach here. I'm going to teach you the minimum effective effort that you need to put in to create Node.js JavaScript based CLI automation dev tools. So you are not going to be wasting a lot of time figuring out how to automate something. You will be actually building this production ready dev tools that you can open source, maintain, so that you can improve workflows for not only yourself, but also for a lot of developers in your community. I'm actually really excited. I can't wait to try out what the developers who are going to take this course are going to build. Talking about why I am choosing Node.js and JavaScript to build CLIs, I think one of the biggest reason for using Node.js is NPM. So NPM is the Node package manager. You see, all of these different languages have package managers, but Node package manager, the NPM JS repository, is quite different. The difference is actually in the numbers. For example, just last week there were 20 billion, that is billion with a B, 20 billion downloads. And over the month, there were 81 billion downloads of these packages. So the JavaScript and web community is huge. People want to install, people want to use what you are going to build. If we go in the CLI category, you can see there are like 853 pages with 17,000 packages created as of now. This is a huge opportunity for you to build a brand, a portfolio for yourself, and to help your community as a developer. I love CLIs. For example, wherever I am, I just type WTHR in my CLI, and it kind of gives me a quick weather update on what the weather looks like, for the next couple of days. Or let's say nowadays I want to track the coronavirus disease. So I type corona and I limit the results to show me only the top 10 results. And then I sort it by the active cases. I press enter. Here's a nice welcome header. Here's the information that I sorted this data by active cases. As you can see, this is a nice UI like table inside of the terminal with the top 10 countries with most active cases sorted accordingly. This is exactly what you are going to learn in this course. You are going to learn how to build production ready developer automation tools that you can use right here in your terminal. There are a lot of advantages of building tools like this. For example, my Corona CLI project is about 2 months old. There are 1,500 stargazers, 14 contributors, 51 different versions released, and 155 commits. This is one of the projects that has been trending on GitHub for about a week or so, and I was ranked as #1 trending JavaScript developer worldwide, which is huge. So if you want to become a hireable developer, if you want to help the community, if you want to automate those boring tasks that are just so repetitive that you cringe at everything when you do it, join me in this course and learn exactly how, in a step-by-step way, you can build automation tools by yourself.